Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. This is Mr. Corbett from Idea Brownsville. Today, I'd like to share some graduation plans and the different graduation programs. This document here outlines the different programs that high schools in Texas offer. If you want to know what your child is going to be taking in Idea Brownsville, please look at the furthest right column, which is the most rigorous, which is the most distinguished, and that's why it's called the Distinguished Plan. And we're doing this plan because this is the plan that is going to set students up for success more than the other plans. The other plans are less credits, and they're not going to be competitive when it comes to the college applications. And in fact, the foundational high school plan does not qualify students for a four-year college or university. This is the plan that is going to enable students to be more successful, the most successful in a four-year college or university. 4 credits of English, 4 credits of math, 4 credits of science, 4 credits of social studies, 3 credits in the same language, 1 credit of physical education, 1 credit of fine arts, and 1 half credit from either communication applications or professional communications. And then 4.5 credits of electives, a total of 26 credits. If we go through each section, so English 1, 2, and 3, 4, let's see. Math, Algebra 1, this is taken in 8th grade. Geometry is taken in 9th. Algebra 2 is taken in 10th. There are a select few of students taking Algebra 2 in the 9th grade. And then the additional math credit will be our IB math class. 4 credits in science, biology in 9th grade. We're going to be offering AP physics next year for the 10th grade. And then the additional science credit, which is going to be our international baccalaureate course. The 4 credits in social studies, it's AP U.S. history, which is likely going to be our 10th grade history. U.S. government likely going to be taken senior year. AP economics, microeconomics, which is being taken by the 9th graders now. World history, likely going to be our international baccalaureate course. And then world geography, we're offering AP human geography to the 9th graders. The students will be taking physical education next year. In high school, there's going to be Spanish. 60 of our 10th graders will be taking AP Spanish next year. Fine arts students will be taking Art 1 and Art 2 next year. Communication applications is the 9th grade students took it as 9th graders. In their first semester this year. Okay, so now this outlines a lot of the classes that the students are going to be taking. And I also wanted to talk a little bit about presentations coming up for our 8th grade parents and families. Here are the 4 dates. Tuesday, that's next Tuesday from 6 to 7 in the library, the Tuesday following, and then Thursday, April 14th, and then Saturday, if you can make it on a weekday, from 1:30 to 2:30 p.m. All the sessions are in the library, and I went very fast through the classes that the students are going to be taking according to the Distinguished Plan, and I'm going to go into more detail in these presentations, and I can also answer any questions as well as giving you information packets to take home with you. If you'd like to reserve a time, it's first come, first serve. Please call one of these 2 numbers and you can reserve a date with Mrs. Schmucker. Each session, the limit is 35 families per session. If you have any questions for me, you can call me at email me at william.corbett@ideapublicschools.org, or you can call me at 956-678-7617. There are some parents that I've already talked with about graduation plans more in detail than answered any specific questions. In fact, I'm meeting with a family Friday afternoon after our Faculty Friday at 5:45. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you very much and have a great day.